Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fall-off-the-bone ribs in the oven. Start with the membrane. It's a thin layer on the bone side that, once removed, allows your ribs to become incredibly tender. Next, generously apply your favorite dry rub, ensuring every inch is covered for maximum flavor. Finally, preheat your oven to a consistent 275 degrees Fahrenheit. This low and slow approach is key to achieving that perfect fall-off-the-bone texture we all love. Once seasoned, place your ribs bone side up on a baking sheet. This helps protect the meat from drying out. Now, the secret to moisture. Cover them tightly with heavy-duty aluminum foil. This creates a steamy environment, essential for breaking down tough connective tissues. Bake them for about 2 to 3 hours at 275 degrees Fahrenheit. The exact time depends on the thickness of your ribs, so keep an eye on them. After their initial bake, carefully remove the foil and drain any excess liquid from the pan. This prevents the ribs from becoming soggy. Now for the flavor boost. Generously brush your favorite barbecue sauce all over the ribs. Don't be shy. Then, return them to the oven, uncovered, for another 30 minutes. This allows the sauce to caramelize beautifully, creating a sticky, delicious glaze. The final, crucial step for perfect ribs is resting. Once out of the oven, let them sit for about 10 minutes. This short rest allows all those delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly moist and tender. Then, simply slice between the bones and serve your perfectly cooked, fall-off-the-bone ribs. Enjoy the amazing results of your low and slow oven cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.